videos.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Rosemont, a charming neighborhood in northwest Calgary, Alberta. Established in the early 1950s, this community has a long history of being a quiet place to live. The neighborhood sits just below Confederation Park, offering lovely green spaces and great walking and biking paths. With tree-lined streets and cozy mid-century homes, Rosemont has a timeless feel that many Calgarians appreciate. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.